This video explores ancient Asia, focusing on Harappa, a city vital for trade and agriculture, shaping early Indian culture with its advanced urban planning and standardized systems. Ancient Asia was shaped by two major civilizations in India and China, alongside nomadic peoples who facilitated trade and cultural exchange across the continent. This timeline highlights key periods and events in ancient Asian history, showcasing significant developments and influential figures. Ancient China saw the rise of early political dynasties, written scripts, and innovations in architecture and metallurgy. Early humans, like Peking Man, arrived in waves, forming diverse societies. This map illustrates the geographical context of Asia in ancient times, showing the locations of significant civilizations and regions. The Yellow River was crucial for Chinese civilization, despite its unpredictable floods and droughts. The Shang dynasty, evidenced by oracle bones, established a complex Bronze Age society with a written script. This image shows an ancient oracle bone with early Chinese characters and demonstrates the evolution of the character for quote, 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 quote form. The Zhou dynasty overthrew the Shang, inheriting many practices but also introducing significant changes like reducing human sacrifices and introducing the concept of a higher power, heaven. This table outlines the duration of China's dynasties, from the Shang to the Qing, illustrating how their physical borders evolved over time. The mandate of heaven justified the Zhou's overthrow of the Shang, establishing a political ideology that required rulers to demonstrate morality and support their people to retain divine favor. The concept of the mandate of heaven profoundly influenced China's history and culture, dictating that imperial rule required divine sanction. The Eastern Zhou dynasty saw a flourishing of literature and philosophy, known as the 100 Schools of Thought, amidst political turmoil. New art forms also emerged. Confucianism, founded by Confucius, shaped morality and governance in China and beyond. It emphasized virtuous leadership, filial piety, and cordial relationships for an orderly society. The Analects of Confucius, a collection of his teachings, focuses on the pursuit of becoming a junzi, a compassionate and moral individual committed to duty and proper conduct through education. Taoism, a mystical religion, emphasized harmony with nature and a minimalist approach to governance. Legalism, in contrast, focused on accumulating power through strict laws and punishments. The Warring States era brought significant changes to warfare, with new technologies like the crossbow and large conscript armies. This period led to the rise and unification by the Qing dynasty. Qin Shi Huang, China's first emperor, expanded Chinese territory and initiated massive construction projects like the Great Wall and his tomb. Emperor Shi Huangdi's reign was marked by military expansion, the construction of the Great Wall, and the suppression of criticism, including the destruction of many classical texts. The terracotta army, thousands of life-sized clay soldiers, stands as a testament to Qin Shi Huang's monumental efforts to secure his afterlife. The Eurasian steppe, home to nomadic pastoralists, was a vast grassland connecting Eastern Europe, Central Asia, and China. Its people resisted absorption into large, unified states. The Eurasian steppe, shown in light blue, spans from Europe to the Pacific. Its climate and vegetation suited livestock grazing, but not settled agriculture. Tribal confederations on the steppes controlled the Silk Roads, a network of trade routes. Silk and other luxury goods were highly valued by nomads, symbolizing power and wealth. This image highlights the importance of horses and horsemanship for the peoples of the steppes, a skill with origins dating back thousands of years. Chinese records describe various nomadic tribes, like the Xiongnu, who controlled lands near Mongolia. Their relationship with Chinese dynasties was often complex, involving trade and appeasement. The Northern Wei dynasty, under Xiaowen, saw significant cultural exchange between Xianbei and Han Chinese, but also faced internal challenges and rebellions. The map depicts the Eastern Hemisphere in 500 CE, showcasing the extent of the Northern Wei dynasty and its geographical context within the larger Asian landscape.